I thought I was gonna blow him open. Are there civilians?
I don't think that was unauthorized use of force. Let's be real.
Damn. No, he had a gun.
Hmm?
No, he was armed, exactly.
Yeah.
Entry team to talk.
Good, bro.
You got him. You got him.
Suspect is down. Proceed with your mission.
Oh, that's a tough room.
Element to talk. Talk to entry team. Notifying Thames.
Alright, that's you in here. I got scared, bro. I was about to send a shot. Reload if you need to.
Raise your hands. Hands up. Spread your fingers.
Spread your fingers.
Get down and don't move. Put your hands up now. Good to go. Element to talk. Civilian ready for transport. Trailers en route. Down on your knees.
Oh my god, there's a lot of them down there.
Oh my. Bro, aim locked on me.
Didn't know we're a bitch made.
Talk here. Stabilize them and send EMTs.
I shot him. I fucking shot his damn arm off, dude.
I'll get the revenge.
It's the left. Are there soft projectors in this one?
Oh. I don't even know where
I'll
they're
get
at.
shot at. Roof, I think.
Maybe. It's a firefight I'm gonna lose.
Watch out, Steve. I don't like this position down here.
I'm in. Oh.
Make them stable and proceed with mission. LSPD, hands up. Don't move.
Oh shit, Steve, back, go back, go back.
Wait, watch out, I'll go.
I'm bleeding out here.
Oh my gosh. Dude, he freaking does, he just goes back and forth with you as soon as I step out, headshot to the dome. Every time.
Objective failed. Entry team fall back and await further instructions.
Yo, okay. I didn't know there was moving like that. I have, yeah. How did I miss? Another one to the right, another one to the right.
Good shot.
Damn, you always killing people, Steve. I leave them incapacitated.
This is Deagle kills anybody.
Shit, I don't like this.
Oh my gosh. Close the door, nothing happened.
Yeah.
Alright, I just got shot 10 times in my back.
What, 15 suspects? Probably like 15 something civilians. That's like 3,000 points.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. I forgot to mention this is fucking ex-military that work here. I absolutely dropped a guy over there. Free fire.
Watch
Free
out, watch
fire.
out, watch out.
Get down. Don't wait. Put your hands up now. Don't move.
Oh crap.
Damn. Look what I did to this dude, Steve. That bro's gonna have a closed casket, that's for sure.
The guy behind the counter? Oh my gosh, yeah. I shot the guy in this doorway with the Desert Eagle.
Ready to go.
This guy said we had no right. Bro, you're shooting at us.
Alright. Alright, this is my last one. I've been on too long. Pause. So we gotta lock in.
They won't let me go around the van.
I know. They won't let me go in the
Yeah.
grass.
Hey, let's go to the roof. Let's go to the roof. Oh shit! I just seen a guy spawn in up there.
You hear that bird?
Yeah.
That was scary.
I dropped a guy on the roof. Follow me.
Hands up. Do it now. Hands on your head. Move. Hands up. Get down and don't move. To your knees.
Yo, high ground, high ground, high.
Lead the talk. Suspect is breathing, but
Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Yo, I dropped this guy from downtown. He wasn't
Yeah, it's
expecting
crazy.
that.
LSPD! Put your hands up now. Hands up. Don't move. Put your hands up and get down.
I can't even see anyone besides her.
Up above your head. Get on the ground now. Right off.
I got this doorway.
I gotta do this. Civilian restraint. Talk. Civilian, good to go.
This is talk. We're ready.
Hands up. Do it now. LSPD, don't hands up. Drop to your knees. LSPD, don't move. Just don't shoot me, all right? Down on the ground now. Down on the ground. Move. Turn around slowly. We're not here for you.
Government should point the fucking finger at itself.
Hands in the air.
Talk to entry team. Excellent work. Don't stop now.
Come in here and take our shit.
Police, hands up. Hands up now. Bullshit.
Oh shit, Steve.
Throwing. And I missed.
Oh, and that's a stinger. Just blind firing. I knew it was you lighting me up. But,
No,
like,
it
this
was
is-
not. Grant, look at my screen.
Oh, I quit, bro.
No,
I
it was
won't
not me.
support that bad boy.
Oh, that's fine. Grant, it was not me lighting you up, I promise.
Oh, really?
Dude, you were getting shot through the wall. Like, you got shot from through the wall. It's crazy because I'm still in the game and, like, no one's shooting at me.